Hi guys, today we're going to do a review on Blippi's new toys, the Learning Numbers Kit. We got this off of Amazon for around $10 and it comes with 9 little cardboard boxes. If you guys have watched Blippi, you would see that he opens boxes in the park. So this is supposed to be like a replica like that. So anyway, here it is. I'll show you what's inside. We did a video already for our Jonathan's Playhouse Kids channel. And if you want to watch that, it's really cool. You should check it out. It comes with a little Blippi guy and the 9 boxes. So inside the boxes here, they have little things to teach how the kids to learn their numbers. So in box number 1, they'll have a dolphin and shoes and so on. So we're going to take a look and see what they are. So when you open up the boxes, you have to be real careful because they're made of cardboard, but it's very thin cardboard. So when we were doing them earlier, it already had ripped. Inside box number 1, they have a little dolphin. So 1 dolphin for box number 1. Inside number 2, I thought this was kind of cute. 2 Blippi shoes. Inside box number 3, they have 3 balls. They kind of look like bowling balls. Inside box number 4, they have little stickers, the 4 robot stickers. And I kind of, not a real huge fan of that because once you give the kids the stickers, they're gone. Then there goes number 4. Here in box number 5, they have a little dinosaur. And what they want you to do is count the spikes on the dinosaur. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 spikes for the number 5. Inside box number 6, they have 6 slices of pizza. And inside number 7, there are 7 eggs in a nest. And inside number 8, they have 8 crayons. They're Blippi crayons. And inside box number 9, they have 9 balloons, 9 sticker balloons. So that's the learning numbers for kids. So hopefully you'll be able to keep them all together so the kids can open them back up and keep learning their numbers. Thanks guys for watching.